अपने देश हिंदुस्तान में इस समय जो महाभारत की लड़ाई चल रही है मेरे दोस्त, हिंदू और मुस्लिम वाला, ये बाहर देशों में कथा सुनाया जा रहा है। देख सकते हो किस तरीके से जो है
The punitive bulldozer demolitions targeting Muslim homes continue across BJP-ruled states despite a 2024 Supreme Court order prohibiting them. Violence tied to beef consumption and cattle transport has escalated as well. We have also recorded a sharp rise in public events where swords and knives are distributed and in events where Hindu nationalist recruits receive firearm trainings. Christian communities face assaults on pastors and worshippers, the forcible closure of churches, denial of burial rights, and arrests on fabricated conversion charges. And US-based social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and X serve as a central infrastructure for spreading this hate and bigotry and incitement to violence. The persecution of Muslims and Christians in India bears the sanction of the country's top political leadership led by Prime Minister Modi and is implemented through both the state and the militant networks of the Hindu nationalist movement anchored by the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, the RSS. This persecution is now embedded in bureaucracy, codified in law, shielded by absolute impunity, and steadily more ruthless in execution.